Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, your automotive advisor in the sales department here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa at Randy Kuehl Honda. And here behind me, I have a brand new Honda Pilot EXL. This video is for those that just purchased an awesome new Honda Pilot. I'm going to show you guys how to customize your vehicle settings. So when you arrive to the dealership, you can set everything up exactly the way you want it. So you're set for success. All you have to do is show off your vehicle, all right? You guys have any questions, you know what to do, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. Now, if you guys are also in the market, anyone else, right over here is my contact information. Don't hesitate to ask for me, Crazy Honda Chris. I'll show you how easy it is to join the Crazy Honda Chris family here at Randy Kuehl Honda, all right? Now, let's go show you how to customize your vehicle settings right now to set you up for success. All right, so here we are right inside the Honda Pilot EXL. By the way, again, guys, really excited. Congratulations. I know this is a big move forward, but as you guys are watching this video, please don't forget to share your guys' experience with the Honda Pilot down below in the comments, all right? Can't wait to hear how you guys put this vehicle to the test. Now, let's get back here to the important matter, setting you up for success on the road. We're going to select settings from the home screen. We're going to select the vehicle. If you can't select the vehicle because it's faded out because the car is not in park, you need to put the vehicle in park for safety reasons so you can customize your vehicle settings. Now, we're going to start from the top. Is going to be a driver's position setup. Let's select that. And then let's go from right here. You got your seat position move at entry. What I love about the Honda Pilot is that as you select these settings, it actually gives you a summary so you know exactly what you're messing around with, all right? So you don't have to keep this stuff memorized. So simply when I turn off the car and get out, or when I get into the vehicle, it's gonna move the seat back so I can get in or out. You like that on or off. So I'm gonna keep it on. I'm gonna hit the back button. You got your memory position link, okay? So simply with the key fob, if I got my key fob here, like on the back of this one, I got driver 1, driver 2, stuff like that, saves the position of that linked up. I'm gonna keep that on. We're gonna select the back button, come down to meter setup. Now from here, we're gonna adjust the outside temperature display. I'll show you that on the driver's interface. It's right over here. All right, 90, got 90 right here, Fahrenheit. Degrees, not miles per hour, but 90 degrees Fahrenheit. You can fine tune this right down here between a 5-degree swing if you ever want to. So once you find what you want, hit save or hit cancel if you don't want to mess with anything. Right now we got trip A and trip B. So pretty much you guys know what trip A and trip B is. Pretty easy and straightforward. When do you want that to reset? You have those 3 options. Now you have your reverse shift tone beep right here. So every time I put the vehicle into reverse, it's gonna give me a little tone to let me know, hey, I'm in reverse, even though your multi-angle camera will automatically come up and display for you, okay? So on is great for me, why not? You got your auto idle stop display. I'm gonna turn this on just because when I take people out for a test drive, I like them to see everything that's available for these Honda Pilots. So simply when the idle stop is activated, it's gonna let me know when it's on or off, okay? So, hey, I like that. Let's do it. You get your adjust alarm volume. As you can see right up here is pretty much the buzzer, your little warnings, your turning indicators, stuff like that, okay? You got 3 options here. Medium sounds great to me. I'm sure someone will tell me, Chris, you need to go on high because your hearing is not as good as you think it is, but I'm going to keep it right there anyways. Next option is your turn-by-turn display. Let's select that. As you can see, it's going to show you turn-by-turn display. When your route guidance comes right on. I like that. Next thing is going to be a fuel efficiency backlight. This is going to be a visual thing, okay? So as I move this tripod right over here on the driver's interface, we're talking about this light. It goes from white to green when you're being fuel efficient and the green to white when you're not, all right? So it's visual coaching to up your game on your fuel efficiency. I'm going to keep that on. Now that's everything underneath meter setup. We're gonna come down here to power tailgate setup. Let's select that. You got your power tailgate, keyless open mode. So we got the key fob, right? Here it is. I'm about to hit the button right here for the tailgate to open up. So right now is at any time I can do this. All doors can be locked or unlocked. Boom, hit that. I'm outside of the car, I hit it, tailgate comes up. Now when it's selected as unlock mode, I have to hit unlock and then hit this power tailgate button for it to open, because if the doors are locked, it will not open up the power tailgate with that second option, all right? So I'm gonna do anytime. Now you have your power tailgate open by outer handle. All right, so this is us going out there. We're actually opening it up. You're gonna have it as a manual liftgate, or do you want it power and manual from there? Why not keep it as power tailgate? That's a big perk about the EXL and above. Now we're gonna come to keyless access setup. From there, we're gonna go to door unlock mode. All right. So we got the key fob in our pocket, our purse, or jacket, whatever the case is. We come up, put our hand in the handle, right? Do I want all doors to unlock, or just the driver or the tailgate? All right, it says driver door or tailgate, because if you have it as the first one, you come up there to the tailgate and you hit that button, it senses the key fobs behind the car, just the tailgate will unlock. Okay, so keep that in mind. So there it is. Which of those will work best for you guys? Now we can have the keyless access flash. There's going to be a delay, stuff like that when it locks and unlocks. I'm assuming you want it to let you know when it locks, right? Gives you a little visual or unlock. Now we have the keyless access beep. Same thing, just an audible sound when the car unlocks or locks, because when you put your hand in the handle, guess what? There's about a delay right there. So no one's like, whoop, yank on that thing, okay? Let's prevent all the yanking we can. Now we're gonna come right down here to remote start. For any reason on God's green earth you wanna turn off the remote start, you can. I can't think of a reason here in Iowa, but maybe in your guys' climate area is a lot better, so you don't need it. You can deactivate that, all right? Now to use remote start, all you have to do is hit lock, hold this button down here for a few seconds, then it will start right up. It's gonna somehow heat and cool the car to 72 degrees, runs in 10-minute intervals, okay? So I'm gonna keep it on. We have the walk away auto lock. So this is great. So let's say I shut off the car, I take the key fob with me, come right out, walk away 10 feet, boom, all the doors automatically lock. I like this, so when I get done with the test drive, I'm out running errands, whatever the case is doing, I ride to work, home, I walk away, I know with confidence my door is locked. Now the only bad thing I can think about this is, let's say if I like to pretend that I'm busy in the garage, I got my key fob right there on the hook, you know, where I start inside, I have to go in and get the key fob so I can get into the car, okay? So let's say some reason I put the key back away and I shut the door behind me, or I could see probably Lucy, one of my daughters, or shut the door and the key fob's not close by, it locks it, all right? So I'll probably over-explain that. I just want you guys to know the pros and cons to it depending on your habits. I'm gonna enable this, so at least I have that peace of mind. Worst case, I get a couple extra steps in. Now, driver's assist system setup, all right? This is for your Honda sensing features. You have your forward collision distance. So you have 3 options here before it warns you and applies onto the brakes, stuff like that, and stops you with your forward collision. I don't recall the exact distance, but you may refer to your owner's manual. I know Honda has set that to normal, American Honda has. So let's keep it there, okay? Now we're gonna have your ACC, forward vehicle detection beep. So simply when you have your adaptive cruise control on and it senses, like say for example, you're going, I don't know, 35, the car in front of you is going 32, right? It senses it, it's in range, it beeps at you, all right? This is the beep right here. So it's gonna beep to alert you that, hey, I found a car, I'm gonna slow you down to 32 miles an hour. Let's turn it on, why not? Road departure, right here, you can change the sensitivity as you go off the roads, as it brings you back, stuff like that, right? As it brings you back. You want normal, wide, or you don't want it to bring you back, you just want that warning, all right? This is the place where you can do that at. From there, we're gonna come down to lane keeping assist, a suspense beep. So simply with the lane keep assist between 45 and 90 miles an hour, when you go out of your lane, you want it to beep at you as it brings you back or whatever, as you just go out of your lane, okay? Yeah, let's do it. Blind spot information system. This is good. We're gonna move the tripod here one more time. Right over here, we have a nice little square indicator. This thing lights up when the car's in your blind spot, or it depends on what setting you have it set at. Right now, we have it set on the most common one. So if there's a car in my blind spot, that lights up. The only time it talks back to me is when I have my turning indicator on while a car's in my blind spot, and then it will beep at me, okay? So that's kind of nice. You have to at least go certain speed for that system to be activated. So if you're in the parking lot going like below 15 miles an hour, it's not gonna, work, okay? I'm gonna hit save. Now that's everything underneath driver's system setup. So we're gonna back out from there. We're gonna scroll down a little bit here. We have door and window setup, all right? Let's do auto door lock. We just got into the car, about to go drive it off the lot, show it off. When do you want your doors to lock? You'll want it with speed, when you shift from park, or have it off when you just hit that button, all right? We'll come right down here. Now, unlock, just the opposite of what we're just selecting, okay? When you want your doors to unlock, simply all doors when driver opens up the door. Maybe all doors when you shift to park, or when you shut off the vehicle, or when you have it off. Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. Sorry to interrupt the video. I just want to say thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you guys' support. And once again, if you guys are in the market, you know what to do. Here's my phone number. Give me a quick courtesy call. Any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best. And don't forget to help me by showing your support by hitting like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and select what works best for you guys. You can hit the back button, or you can hit save or cancel. From there, we have key and remote unlock mode, all right? So we got the key fob here, right? This is the first time we're hitting the button, right? When do you want all of your doors to unlock? So I hit unlock once, now I want driver's side or all doors. Now keep in mind, when you hit it twice, automatically all doors automatically unlock. So with that being said, a lot of people say, driver's just fine. Now you have auto door unlocked, okay? Oh, we just did that one, I'm sorry. Let's come down here to keyless access right here. Keyless, locked, answer back is what we're looking at. As you can see right there, a lot of people keep it on. So when you hit lock or unlock, it's just flash. Then when you do it the second time around, it's gonna beep at you. I like that. Then we'll come down to your security timer. So let's say if I hit unlock on the key fob, right? And no one opens up a door in that X amount of time, guess what happened? All the doors locked, okay? So which of these options are gonna work for you? Sometimes people do 30, sometimes people do 60 seconds. There we go, just in case I like to talk, so let's give it a little extra time. Now that's everything underneath door setup from there. So we're gonna hit the back button. We're gonna come down to lighting setup. You have your interior light dimming time. So let's say we just get to where we're going. I shut off the car, I shut the door behind me in X amount of time, these lights will turn off, all right? Which of these options are gonna work for you? 30 seconds, plenty of time for me to get out, shut the front door right there. And then I get in the back, I get my supplies so I can see what I'm doing at nighttime. Now we have headlights. For the timer for the headlights to come off. This may just kind of vary on you guys' driving habits. Maybe you get home kind of late, or you get to work kind of late, you know, work late shifts. Maybe you need a little extra time to see because it's not well lit area. So 30 seconds, you know, it's like that. Same concept. I get out of the car, shut the door, and X amount of time my headlights will turn off. You have your auto interior light sensitivity right here. So pretty much when I have my headlights on auto, my headlights come on. My driver's interface lights, stuff like that. And it's all this right here. We're talking about the brightness right here. All right, that's what we're talking about. How bright do I want that to be? I'm gonna keep it on the default. I'll let you guys decide from there. Now we get your auto headlights on with wiper on. So I got my headlights onto auto. And it's raining, so I turn on my wipers, you know. Whoop, there goes my wipers. And then boom, headlights automatically come on. So I like having that. Let's do it. Now we have auto light sensitivity. Pretty much when your headlights are on auto, and then between day and nighttime levels, when do you want your headlights to come on? Now that's everything underneath your lighting setup. We're gonna back out of there. Last thing right here is gonna be maintenance stuff. All right, so if you need an oil change, or you're getting close to that point, or you know, other services that the vehicles may require for you to do here shortly, it's all going to be right here. All right, so go ahead and select that, and then there's that. All right, here's a little bit of bonus stuff here for you guys. I just wanted to do the courtesy for a couple common questions. There's people out there in these vehicles. Maybe one of them's like, hey Chris, how do I adjust the brightness of my touchscreen? You know, it kind of bugs me, or I can't see it, stuff like that. So let's say if I just tap it here, you can adjust the brightness, or you can completely shut it off between your day and nighttime levels right here. So if it bugs you for your nighttime driving, that's not a problem. Well, if I can hold it down correctly, there we go. So you just hold it down just like that, it completely shuts it off. I just hit the home button, and then boom, that's done. Now radio options right over here, you can select your radio. We're jamming out. Select this to go between FM and AM radio. You get all these options right there. Now let's say you find a radio station that you like a lot. You simply just click and hold, and then boom, it saves that preset. Maybe you need to find one that you're looking for. I don't know. Let's just throw an option out there, right? There you go. Let's listen to some rock and roll. Pretty easy to use. You just have to get over there and kind of play around a little bit with it, all right? So you got your bass, you got some other, stuff right over here to mess around with. Fade, sub, it's all right here. All right, just get out there, guys, kind of play around a little bit with it. Before you know it, you're going to be a pro in no time, okay? Hey guys, thanks again for watching my video. Hopefully it was very helpful to answer those questions for you guys as you're out there kind of exploring a little bit about the vehicle settings. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. Don't forget to share this with a friend that bought a vehicle recently or a family member. And then also show your support by hitting like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I'll keep these videos coming, okay? Thanks again, guys. You have fun with your new Honda Pilot. We'll stay in touch and see you at the next video. Bye-bye.